Wednesday, September 23rd. The guys came out today to do the cracks. Or not the cracks, but the level of concrete. Boy, did that come out nice. That come out nice. I'm going to be filling them. The guy suggested that I use I can grind down some of these areas that they can't lift because they can only lift anything a ½ inch or more. Anything less than a ½ inch they don't really lift. But they suggest that I can grind these cracks out some, clean them out, and then add hydraulic cement in there. And that should take care of it. But for the most part, it's pretty good. They were looking at this one here, and they decided not to do anything with it because they were afraid it would crack more. And it would crack this way. So they didn't want to attempt that. So they said just better off grinding that one down. So there's a few that I got to grind down, but other than that, not bad. Not too bad. I'm really happy because of that one, this crack here, because that was the worst one. So, okay, now I'll patch up all these cracks this weekend and get the floor prep for painting or epoxy. Keep you updated. Bye.